With the prices of new cars constantly soaring and the cost of living on the verge of hitting astronomical levels, buying a used SUV might be the best decision you ever make this year. But that's easier said than done, considering the innumerable options in the market today. Fortunately, I fully understand how daunting it can be to spot the best used SUV to buy in 2024-2025. As such, I have prepared a list of the 8 cheapest yet most reliable SUVs that cost between $15,000 and $20,000 in 2024 to 2025. Stay with me till the end to find the model that best aligns with your preferences. Number 1. 2017 Honda CR-V. The 2017 Honda CR-V is number 1 out of 18 in 2017 affordable compact SUVs. Its original MSRP ranges from $24,045 to $33,795, while the average price paid for a used model varies from $17,559 to $21,113. The 2017 model year is well known for its significant updates, and it earns impressive predicted reliability and safety ratings. It also offers generous rear seat legroom and a cavernous cargo volume. As for performance, the Honda CR-V 2017 has an engine that delivers between 184 and 190 horsepower. Furthermore, the engine works with both FWD and AWD. This compact SUV also registers exceptional fuel economy ratings of 25 to 28 mpg in the city and 31 to 34 mpg on the highway. Number 2. 2016 Toyota RAV4. The Toyota RAV4 is one of the most reliable SUVs of all time. It therefore comes as no surprise that the 2016 model year has solid reliability and safety ratings. Besides, the average price paid for a pre-owned 2016 Toyota RAV4 starts at $15,486 to $18,684. This is impressive given that the original MSRP of this compact SUV ranges from $24,350 to $32,910. The Toyota RAV4 2016 also has one of the highest cargo areas in its class, plus it registers excellent crash test ratings, not to mention supportive front seats for a fun driving experience across the city. When it comes to performance, the 2016 RAV4 has a 176 horsepower engine which works with both front wheel and all-wheel drive. Also, this 5-passenger SUV nets 22 to 23 mpg in the city and 29 to 30 mpg on the highway. Number 3. 2019 Subaru Forester. The original MSRP of the 2019 Subaru Forester varies from $24,295 to $34,295, while the average price paid for a used model ranges from $19,712 to $25,173. This SUV with 5 seats makes a stunning investment thanks to its superb safety and predicted reliability ratings. The 2019 model year is also loved for its spacious and comfortable interior as well as intuitive tech features. Furthermore, a 182 horsepower engine is beneath the hood of the Subaru Forester 2019, and it works with all-wheel drive to help you handle various road conditions with confidence. The 2019 Forester also boasts excellent fuel economy ratings of 26 mpg in the city and 33 mpg on the highway. Number 4. 2019 Hyundai Tucson. If you love a car with a gentle ride and a quiet cabin, look no further than the 2019 Hyundai Tucson. It is a well put together compact SUV with comfortable seats and several easy to use standard tech features. Its original MSRP runs from $23,350 to $33,100, while the average price paid for a pre-owned model ranges from $15,431 to $20,660. Another thing This 5-seat SUV has revamped interior styling to make every journey unforgettable. While its 161 to 181 horsepower engine is kind of underwhelming, it pretty much makes up for this by working with both FWD and AWD. Moreover, the Hyundai Tucson 2019 records 21 to 23 mpg in the city and 25 to 30 mpg on the highway. Number 5. 2020 Kia Sportage. The 2020 Kia Sportage ranks number 3 out of 16 in 2020 affordable compact SUVs. While its cargo hold is a bit on the small side, the 2020 Sportage is a decent vehicle with a premium cabin and a high predicted reliability rating. Besides, this 5-seater SUV offers a refined ride and spry handling. It also has an intuitive infotainment system, and its engine generates between 181 and 240 horsepower. Plus, it works with front wheel and all-wheel drive for maximum convenience. As for fuel economy, the ratings stand at 19 to 23 mpg in the city and 24 to 30 mpg on the highway. Number 6. 2021 Volkswagen Tiguan. If you find the small cargo volume of the 2020 Sportage too concerning to ignore, you may want to turn to the 2021 Volkswagen Tiguan. It has an expansive cargo area and comes with several standard features. It also offers a cushioned ride and can be head with optional third-row seats. That said, this SUV sits between 5 and 7 passengers. As for pricing, the original MSRP runs from $25,245 to $39,095, while the average price paid is between $19,427 to $27,310. The only downside of this 7-seat SUV is the below average gas mileage, which stands at 21 to 23 mpg in the city and 27 to 29 mpg on the highway. Modest acceleration from the 184 horsepower engine can also cause a bit of an upset, but shouldn't be a deal breaker since you aren't paying for a sports car. Number 7. 2018 Chevrolet Equinox. The Chevy Equinox 2018 is a fully redesigned model with generous seating space, acceptable driving dynamics, and good safety ratings. It also has an easy-to-use infotainment system, and its engine delivers between 137 and 252 horsepower. Additionally, the engine works with FWD and AWD. As for fuel economy, this SUV with 5 seats nets 22 to 28 mpg in the city and 28 to 39 mpg on the highway. What's more, its original MSRP runs from $23,580 to $37,300, while the average price paid is between $14,554 and $18,833. The only drawbacks of the 2018 Equinox are steep ownership cost and not so pleasant cargo space. But if you are willing to put these on your rear, then the 2018 Chevrolet Equinox is a good SUV to buy in 2024/2025. A quick one. If you're finding value so far, be sure to show that subscribe button some love. That way, you will always be the first to know when videos like this are out. Number 8. 2020 Ford Escape. While the 2020 Ford Escape might not be the most reliable SUV in 2024/2025, it makes up for a great purchase thanks to its easy-to-use infotainment system and a cavernous cargo volume. Furthermore, this compact SUV with 5 seats has a good engine that generates between 181 and 250 horsepower and works with both FWD and AWD. The Ford Escape 2020 also boasts impressive fuel economy of 23 to 27 mpg in the city and 31 to 33 mpg on the highway. As for pricing, the original MSRP is $24,885 to $36,835, while the average price paid is $15,622 to $20,679. Well, that's my list of the 8 cheapest yet most reliable SUVs for $15K to $20K in 2024/2025. Now click the video on the top left to watch the 7 cheapest yet most reliable SUVs under $15K in 2024 to 2025.